Well, kids, now it's time to play along. So grab your Jesus puppet my friend Ted show you how to build. Let's have a puppet show. All you need to do is follow along with the musical words. I will eat with you, but I warn you, what will you betray me? Which one is that? The choice is yours. Do what you must do. Baruch Atah Eloha Nemeah. Take and eat. This is my body which is given for you. Do this for remembrance of me. Baruch Atah Eloha Nemeah. Drink this, all of you. This is my blood which is given in the new covenant. Whenever you drink this, do this for remembrance of me. Now I drink with fruit of the vine, till I drink the kingdom of God. Peter, you'll betray me with the cock crows those 3 times. I would never betray you. Ooh. Dear Father, keep them safe and make the world happy. Why couldn't you have stayed awake? Judas betrayed the Son of Man with a kiss. Are you Jesus of Nazareth? I am. I'm afraid you have to come with us. But we will fight for you. It's over. Stick to fishing from now on. Do you wish me to release Jesus of Nazareth or Jesus Barabbas? Barabbas. Why do you wish me not to release Jesus Barabbas? He's trying to make us live his way of life and make him live his way. What should we do with him? Crucify him, crucify him, crucify him. 1, 3, 6, 8, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 39. Jesus, if you're a king, where is your kingdom? Why do you not speak? Are you willing to give your freedom? I wash my hands in your blood. And Jesus was led to the mountain. And Jesus was led to the mountain. On the way, they crucified 2 bandits. Veni. This bandit prayed to Elijah. And Jesus breathed his last. And the ground shook, there was lightning and all that. Truly, this is the Son of God. And that was our story called The Last Supper, which is actually told for the church today. Donna Vea, Donna Rosa, in Jerusalem they say, the soldiers tried to bar the crowded street. Donna Vea, Donna Rosa, in Jerusalem they say, the soldiers tried to bar the crowded street. Donna Vea, Donna Rosa, when they saw the king die that day. Donna Vea, Donna Rosa, in the end to Calvary. Donna Vea, Donna Rosa, in Jerusalem they say, the king he died upon the cross that day. Donna Vea, Donna Rosa, in Jerusalem they say, the king he died upon the cross that day. Donna Vea, Donna Rosa, when they saw the king die that day. Donna Vea, Donna Rosa, in the end to Calvary.